What is popping, my fellow race car enthusiasts? It's your boy, Ziotic. In this video, we're going to be preparing my engine for shipping by putting it on a pallet and securing it. We're also going to be contacting my bank to ask them for permission to spend all of my own money. And we're going to finally be starting this engine build process, so stay tuned. Alright, we got a bunch of boom booms because tomorrow is July 4th. Trust me, I know. This video was recorded over 70 days ago, but at least it's here. But this is the pallet that we have, and if you're wondering how we got this here, because, well, these are all of our cars, make sure to follow me on Snapchat. Because you see a bunch of things that I post on there that I don't post on any other platform. I'm always active on there, and you get to see the things that I post on YouTube before I post them on YouTube.
You did good, son.
There it is. Best way to go about this? I don't know if there is one. As you see here, let's take this as a perfect example of what not to do. Alright, so we're actually going to cut this pallet directly in half, and then that way it'll fit in between the engine hoist, and we don't have to do the sketchy idea that we had of setting it on the engine hoist. And we get to use this spare wood to help build around the side of the motor. Yeah! Right there.
You want the weight centered on the thing, so when you bring it down, I'll adjust it a little.
Okay. I'm gonna start rolling.
Go ahead. Oh, lift it a little. Get it centered this way. Okay, go ahead.
Lower?
Yeah. There you go.
See, that's probably a much smarter and safer idea than trying to slide the pallet off the hoist. Okay, we got this Craig tool to make some pocket holes. We're just gonna bolt it down to the side of the pallet like this, and yeah, you'll kind of see how it forms. We're just gonna add pocket holes on all of these boards to secure it down to the pallet, make a little frame around it. Alright, well, my camera died, but basically, we got this all ready, all finished, boarded up on all sides, and this thing is pretty freaking solid on there. I don't think that's going to be an issue at all. I just got to wait until Tuesday, I guess, because today's Sunday, banks are closed. Tomorrow's 4th of July, banks are closed, so I got to wait till Tuesday to call them and actually be able to purchase this motor rebuild, I guess. What's going on, boys? It's hot. You're fogging up on me. Anyway, I just got home from work, and we're finally ready to ship off the motor today. It's been a long while, and it's still going to take another long while, but we got the motor on a pallet, got all my paperwork right here, and yeah, they're going to come pick up the pallet today. Wow. But yeah, they're going to come pick this up. I'm just waiting on them, and we can finally start this engine build process.